lineman for Aston, 5 years younger, might have taken the ball. Make it to ball to William. Comes around the make it to ball to William. And Williams is hitting it over the fence for 6. Over the fence for 6. He's official starter. And they're off with a bang. We see orange, we see blue, we see green, we see green. It looks like a green. Green earthquake taking that one. Green earthquake. Green earthquake taking that one. And they're off with a bang here. It looks like orange. Orange really wants something else. It's going to be orange. It is orange. It is orange. Orange taking it. Orange taking it. Money, you have it out there. That was very close indeed. Too close to fall. I will leave it for the officials. But from my point of view, it could have been orange, but it was a very tight race indeed. This one ring. And good afternoon to you, Andy. How you feel knowing that you ain't just win, but you win convincingly by some 4 goals?
Yes, I feel great. I feel proud of my blowouts. I think they could have taken me in this one here, but they know football is the things. So I know the tactic and the techniques and how to win. And that's what I went out and I did. Let's go, Blowouts!
And they're off. We see orange, we see green. We see orange, we see green. We see orange, we see green. Oh, God! That was a great race. Well. That's too close to fall. Between the greenhouses. And the girls are off with the alignment spoon. Look at Juliana. 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 Oh, boy. That's the qualification. Ah, the devil reaching like that. That should be one. That should be one. Those who came in didn't have the line in the spoon. Well, a short while ago we had the female lineman spoon and Orange came out on top. Due to the fact a number of people who reached the line didn't have their lime and their lineman spoon. So the males at the starting point and they're off. Look at green, look at orange, look at green, look at green. Not beautiful by the green outside. One. So the one that wins this one now wins. Am I right, Molly? Well, this is pressure. This is more than pressure. Say we are both to make money. The little pressure for the jungle if they win. Back, then they win it if they win. Yes, them ball. Can you let my body ball? In the chop, can you ball? No one is on the back. In the box, you feel like I was there all going down. So just get some in.
Winners of this sport, winners of Sports Day, with 2,700 points on Sports Day, amassing a total of 3,920 points. Come on!